Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 man, we got an EZGO here. I'm gonna show you this quick and simple. What we're doing, wired a Bluetooth radio on here. And if you look at it, I don't want to put a kill switch in line. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rewire the golf cart, because now when you hit the gas, it powers up when you hit the gas. The solenoid clicks, so you can't really wire nothing off the key switch. But what I'm gonna do is show you how to do it. So I'm going to, this is your blue wire. We're taking that off the solenoid. That's what powers up when you hit the gas. I'm gonna unplug my fuse wire here, which goes to my red wire. The red wire I unplugged from the fuse is off the, which feeds the pedal, which is returned from the pedal. Now I'm gonna wire it to where the blue wire was. And then you got your green, which is your key switch wire. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna plug it in. It ain't up male and female. I'm gonna plug it into the fuse wire now. Now we're going green from this to the key switch, back on the blue, and then we're going to take the blue and plug it into the green. All right. One drawback to this is now your reverse buzzer will work when you hit the gas. So I'm going to take it. Cut it off. This is a tip from the Whisperer, man. Will save you right here. Remember, one thing you have to do, you have to upgrade the fuse. All right? You got to upgrade the fuse. If you put a sound bar or radio, you have to upgrade. So I'm going to go over it one more time with you now. This is going to save you from having to buy a kill switch and save you the headache of when you turn the key off, you still got voltage there. Then I'm going to plug this in to my green wire. So now I have my red wire coming from my F&R switch going to the solenoid, and then make sure you change the fuse. It comes with a 7.5 amp or 5 amp. Make sure you put like a 15 depending on what you're carrying across the accessories. But all right, man, that's how you do it, man. Make sure you do it like the video. You don't have to buy no kill switch. Don't have to buy no extra key switch on the gas cart. And the best thing I like about it is the fact that now the reverse buzzer works when you hit the gas. So if you leave in reverse, it don't start buzzing until you hit the gas. Then you'll be aware that it's in reverse. But all right, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Watch another video. If you have any problems, man, 843-595-1611 for $49.99. You get your golf cart fixed, man. Text that number. It'll give you instructions how to do it. Y'all stay tuned, fellas.